Hello. Today we're diving into the features of the ACR ResQFlare E-Flare Safety Kit, a marine electronic boat flare that meets both USCG daytime and nighttime Coast Guard boating requirements. This innovative safety kit boasts an operational life of 20 hours, which is over 3 times longer than the USCG requirement, maintaining a peak equivalent fixed intensity of 75 candela. Its durable design, combined with the included distress flag, qualifies it as a replacement for USCG pyrotechnic flares when carried together, but only in the USA. The ResQFlare is waterproof with an IP67 rating and offers 360-degree visibility, ensuring bright light in all directions, and it automatically rights itself and floats in water without needing a buoyancy ring. Certified under USCG 161.013 as a nighttime visual distress signal, this flare is visible over 6 miles and comes with a distress flag certified under USCG 160.072 as a daytime visual distress signal. It's lightweight, compact, and powered by user-replaceable C-cell alkaline batteries, which are not included, and its high-intensity LED strobe maintains a minimum peak equivalent fixed intensity of 75 candela for 20 hours or more at room temperature. Stay safe on the water with the ACR ResQFlare E-Flare Safety Kit, your reliable companion for marine emergencies. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.